Alright, today we are going to be learning how to insert video into our web page. Obviously videos can be used for a variety of purposes. They're engaging to students. You can use them to communicate expectations, homework assignments. You can even give homework assignments. You can use videos as part of a web quest. There's just a million ways you can use videos. So this will be a really valuable skill to understand. Now, before we can even insert video at all, we do need to create a new page. Yesterday we created our home page, our About the Course page, and our About the Teacher page. Well, today we're going to create a new page just for our video. You could put videos on any page, but I want to have a brand new page for today. So we need to go to Pages, add a new page, and I'm going to title my new page Video, just so that we know that's where the video is going to be. And I'll click Save Settings. And you see now we have our video tab. I'm going to click on that, and now we finally have our blank page. Now if you look at the options up at the top, you'll see there is a video option. Unfortunately, you also see that it has the word Pro by it. That means that you have to be a paying member of Weebly to use this function. Since we are not paying members, and we don't intend to be at this moment, there is still a way that we can insert video, and that is over here with the custom HTML option. Now you might be thinking, I thought that we were told we didn't need to know HTML to succeed in this course, or that we didn't need to be experts in technology to succeed in this course. And both those things are true. You do not need to understand HTML to use this. That's the great thing. I'll show you what I mean. First we need to drag it down, and this is where we're going to be putting our HTML code. Where are we going to get our HTML code? Well, let's go to YouTube. Here I have YouTube, and I have the video from yesterday's tutorial. Now you can use it. This works for any YouTube video, but I'm just going to use this one since I made it. Now what we have to do is we need to click on Share. When I click on Share, you'll see this nice big highlighted link pop up. You do not want that link. It's kind of confusing. It makes it look like you want it, but you don't. Instead, you want to embed, because we are actually going to embed the video onto our site. When you click on embed, this code comes up. This is the code that we do want. You'll see below the code there's a whole bunch of options you can click. You can even change the size of your video if you want to. You can play around with that later. For this tutorial we are not going to do that. We're just going to stick with the default settings. So I'll right click and I'll copy the code. I'll go back to Weebly. Now I need to go back in here. I need to click on my HTML and paste. Make sure this text disappears though when you do it, or else it won't work. So now you see I have my code pasted in there. Now I just need to click out of that box and the video shows up. It's that easy. I'm going to publish it to the website. If I click here, you'll see now on the actual published website, if I click on the video tab, now your video is there to watch. Again, you might want to insert text explaining what your video would be about. Obviously you wouldn't probably just post a blank video on your website for no purpose. But that's the great thing about Weebly, is you can easily insert text to explain your video. Okay, so today what you're going to do is come up with a couple ways to insert videos. You can search YouTube or TeacherTube or any video site where you can get videos. Come up with some ideas on what you would use the videos for, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with. Good luck.